Hi, my name is Steve Sturm. I've been the director of maintenance since 1992. I wanted to try to teach my grandson and take him in and show him just how simple it can be to save some money.
Hi, my name is Sky Neese. I am 16 years old. I do not know how to take care of a house, so today my grandpa will be showing me.
What can cause a slow drain?
Something keeping the water from going down the drain.
What do you do first?
I'd make sure that I had a bucket to catch the water, and then I would turn the water off. You turn clockwise to turn them off. Then you pull the trap off, which kind of looks like a J. You just check it to make sure that there's no obstructions, nothing to keep the water from going through.
What if the trap is clear?
Then we've got to go further because the obstruction is further back into the pipe. So the pipe that goes into the wall, we have to get that off in order to see if there's anything back there.
Yeah, you got it.
That won't come out because we've got the drop pipe coming out of the bottom of the sink is too long. We can't pull the back pipe out of the wall. So now we have to loosen the drop pipe, the gray one. So the drain stopper has to come off. We can go ahead and loosen the drop a little more so that we can get the gray pipe out of the way, enough to pull the other line out of the wall. There it goes. Now we're going to take and run the red hair snake through the back to see if there's anything that's just right there that's an obstruction. You can pick this up at a hardware store or something that doesn't cost very much. It didn't have anything on it, so our next step is we've got to go further back in the wall. I'd suggest is a wet vac if you have a wet vac. This is a wet dry vac. To make the wet vac work, we need to take the dry filter off. It just pops off, and then just put it over to the side. Hook the hose on the back, turn the line on, and let the suction do the work. And then we pull the line off. Then we take a look. We go ahead and start putting everything back together. I wouldn't tighten it all the way until everything is at least started. Once we get to that point, we also make sure the drain stopper is hooked back up properly. Then we go ahead and put the collar on, then the washer. Then we go ahead and tighten everything back up, just by hand to start with. Snug it, turn the water back on. When you run the water in the sink, don't be surprised if you get some dirty water to come out of that. We've checked now, there are no leaks, and the drain is running a lot better now.
Thanks for watching. We've got more things to teach him. And maybe you can watch and learn some stuff. You can learn too.
Please like and subscribe below. Have a nice day.